In today's video, we're unveiling a topic that could completely transform the way you understand what women truly desire. Get ready to uncover 7 fascinating secrets that all women value deeply but would never tell you outright if you've ever wondered what goes on in a woman's mind or what can significantly improve your relationships. This video is a must-watch. Here's the video. Stay with us until the very end, as these 2 tips can not only enhance your connection with women, but also help you become a more confident and desirable partner. Aotis, before we dive in, if you haven't already joined our channel, take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss our exclusive upcoming content. Often men feel that women are a mystery waiting to be solved, and you know why. Because women tend to express what they want subtly through their actions, gestures, and even their silences, rather than spelling it out. This doesn't mean understanding them is impossible. It simply requires you to pay close attention. If you think women are hard to figure out, you're mistaken. They have desires, fantasies, and preferences that they keep close to their hearts like hidden treasures, while these secrets hold great power. Women often hesitate to share them openly to avoid appearing too obvious or vulnerable. In this video, we'll delve deep into these secrets, and to top it all off, I'll share an extra tip that's bound to surprise you. Let's begin with something simple yet impactful: the power of a massage before an intimate moment. Picture this: dimmed lights, a softly scented massage lotion, and your hands gently moving over her skin. This isn't just a gesture, it's an explosion of sensations that communicates care, attention, and desire. Many women find a good massage not only relaxing, but also a profound form of emotional connection. The best part, they rarely ask for it, but they are completely captivated when you take the initiative. This is the kind of gesture that leaves a lasting impression and makes her long for more. Next, let's talk about flirting. Many men shy away from flirting out of fear of being misunderstood or rejected. But here's a game-changing truth: women adore confident, respectful flirting. I'm not talking about cheesy pickup lines, but rather intense gazes, genuine smiles, and thoughtful compliments that show you notice the unique details about her. These small gestures can brighten her day and make her feel special. So a woman feels truly appreciated when a man pays attention to what sets her apart from everyone else. And what about her hair? For many women, their hair is an extension of their personality. Running your fingers through her hair gently can create a sense of comfort and intimacy. But timing is key. Choose a moment when she's relaxed and open, like during a light-hearted conversation or a romantic date. This seemingly simple act can forge a deeper emotional connection that she'll remember. Something as simple as another often overlooked but powerful move is placing your hand on her back. This subtle gesture speaks volumes, showing that you're a protective man who cares without being overbearing. For instance, guiding her gently with your hand on her lower back as you walk through a crowd makes her feel secure and cherished, want to take it up a notch. A soft kiss on the neck or an unexpected hug can leave a lasting impression. One of women's greatest secret desires is to be with a man who will defend her. This doesn't mean being aggressive or stirring up conflict, but rather showing that you're ready to stand up for her when needed. Imagine a situation where she's being disrespected or made uncomfortable. Stepping in calmly and firmly demonstrates that you value her and won't let anyone treat her poorly. This is one of the most powerful ways to strengthen the bond between you. Now, here's something many men underestimate: confessing that you dream about her. For men, this might seem trivial, but for women, it's deeply meaningful. Sharing that she occupies your thoughts, even while you sleep, can make her feel truly special. It's a vulnerable yet genuine way to show how much she means to you. Have you ever imagined sending a single text that makes a woman obsess over you? Picture a message so compelling it consumes her thoughts, even if she sees you as just a friend or as with someone else. These secret phrases spark excitement and desire, leaving her eager to see you again, want to know more. Click the first link below to discover these magnetic messages and have her hooked. Finally, let's talk about a physical trait that many women adore: a well-groomed beard. To women, a beard can symbolize masculinity, maturity, and even fertility. But here's the catch. A well-maintained beard is essential. Studies suggest the perfect beard strikes a balance between rugged and refined, blending a bold look with a soft touch. And to wrap it all up, here's the extra tip that can make all the difference: the perfect hug women love. Strong, enveloping hugs that make them feel protected and loved. Take it a step further with a gentle kiss on the forehead. It's a simple yet incredibly powerful gesture that conveys your presence and care on a deep level. These are the secrets that can transform your relationships. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments which of these ideas resonated with you the most, or if you prefer, type "I watched until the end" to let us know you stayed with us all the way. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, yet don't wait. Join us now and become part of a community that values high-quality content designed to strengthen your relationships.